Camille, you know, say out of everybody, you may check for the most though.
I know.
So tell me something. It's too late.
Maybe. But you know life still, right?
I understand. But here, why you think about it still, you know?
When you think about your life and staying consistent.
Okay, mom.
Trevor, you can't always sign in public. Remember, see you're the manager, I know.
But nobody know out here.
Camera out your door. Next thing, Mr. Wallace go fire you for unprofessional conduct.
Okay. I'm going to call you an Uber.
No. But we walk. Remember, so the taxi stand there right on this one.
You sure you want to do that?
Yeah. My bad man baby father will protect me.
Glad you know that. Camille, wait for me now and give me help me now.
What going on?
How are you, man?
Hey! Haven't seen you in a long time, man. How you? Hi. How you doing, man?
Yeah, but who you be?
You don't remember me? Give us a minute, yeah? Hey, come along, man. You know, I've been trying to find you a long time, yeah? Oh, sorry, man. Remember me now, Trevor?
Face look familiar, man. And you want me to talk to over the site and you did a... Shh.
I have like a job for you, Trevor.
You already have a job?
No, man. You won't have that job if you don't do the job with me and you. So you know somebody who knows somebody. I'm gonna need you to find that somebody for me.
Who you talking about?
Look good, Trevor. You know that man, yeah?
No, me don't know him.
You know him, Trevor. Look good. You don't know him? Well, tell you what. You know somebody will know him. And when you know him, you're going to make me know when you know him.
But me know of them thing there again, you know.
What you doing now, Trevor? You mean where you're always, you know? Let me give you a little vibes, right? Tell me something, Trevor. All right, let me bring this up. Aha. Now you that, Trevor? Hold on. Now you that to Trevor? No.
No, I don't mean that.
I know you that, but